Hello, this is Randy Johnson. Today is May 22nd, 2019. It's about 5:18, 19 in the evening here in the Los Angeles area, in Compton to be more specific, Compton, California. I'm doing a video here on Simple Screen Recorder and how I'm using it. Uh, it's recording this video, and what I'm doing is I'm using this on a Mate desktop by Ubuntu. Is one of the official desktops that they have. Just to show you what I have on here, I've installed Boxes. Boxes is a virtual machine software that allows you to install other operating systems here within Linux. I can install Windows. I can install other versions of Linux. I can install Unix. I can install anything I like in a virtual machine. It is a KVM product, which means it runs on the kernel, as opposed to VirtualBox, which I have on here too. VirtualBox is having a little issue with the Mate desktop, little bug there, so I'm not using it right now. But I also have a Virtual Machine Manager, a Virt Manager. It works? It's a KVM. It works on the kernel. When I want to do coding, Avada. It is a code manager. It is a way of coding for different languages, C++, or I can do HTML. I also have VS Code by Microsoft is on here too. I've also installed on here Audacity. Thinking of doing some voiceover work, so I need Audacity to clean up the audio. And I've just installed these systems on this operating system, these applications on this operating system, so that they're coming up new. I've installed on here also. Go back to favorites. HTOP. What is HTOP? HTOP is a application that goes out and looks at your system and reports back as to what you're using, your resources that you're using. For example, I have 4 cores on my processor. You see it at 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the percentage of the processors that it's using. Also, the total percentage of memory. This machine doesn't have a lot of memory. I think it's got 3.5 gig or something like that, but we're only using, as you see there, less than half or almost half of a gig. So the Mate desktop is light on memory usage. Some of the others can be very heavy, like GNOME is very heavy on memory usage. Also, we have on here Synaptic. Synaptic is another way of getting to software, of installing software packages on your system. Basically, you go here to search, and you type in right here in this box what software package you're searching for. Synaptic will go out and find it, bring it onto your system, and install it. It's very good. It's better than what they have, even though this is good too. Now, don't get me wrong. The software boutique that comes with Mate. Here I can go out to the software store when it comes up. It takes a little while because it's searching for all the packages that are available on the internet. And these are all the categories here: accessories, education. See that? Games, graphics, internet. What's in internet? What's in there? We have Flash. We have other browsers. Here, Office. That's where your Office programs are, like LibreOffice. Programming. In programming, I've installed many of these. See VS Code. There's Sublime. There's other things that deal with programming. There's Guinea. You see that? Sound and video. Audacity's there. That's where I got it. And I could have done it from the command line, but I chose to use this because it's just easier to do. Just click and say yes. System tools. BleachBit to clean up your system. Barasso for burning CDs or DVDs. All these are available in here. KDE indicator. You can actually connect to your cell phone through some of these KDE programs. And KDE is just another desktop that you can use, which is very customizable as well. Universal access. See, you can install things in here that can help you look at the system better. For example, if you're going blind, it'll blow things up for you. Kaja Share. I don't have that installed, but it is a file manager. It's used for connecting to Windows programs, which I don't have a Windows network here, so I'm not concerned with that. And other things, other software here, other software stores. You can install other softwares, and when you get done, you click here. It wants to install something. What do you want to install? Doesn't want to install anything. Okay, good. My favorite terminal manager is Terminator. I like it because I can split it horizontally. I can split it vertically. See? Let's say if I have 4 servers I'm connected to at the same time, I can do that on Terminator and get the job done better. It's better than just using one terminal. Just a brief walkthrough of MATE and the simple screen recorder, and you see the work it's doing. And I'm going to be doing more videos, but next time I'm going to try to get OBS running. I have to do some research on it to see how to use it first, and I will be back with you. Again, my website, go to linux.com.